How to fix this page is unavailable right now on Instagram. The first thing you want to do is launch open Play Store on your device. Now search Instagram. Here if you find the update option, tap on that and update the app to the latest version. Next thing you want to do is open up settings. Then tap on apps. A list of all the applications will be shown over here. Simply scroll down and find Instagram from here. Once you have found it, select that. Now tap on the option of storage, then select clear cache. After this, you want to check your internet connection. For that, open up any web browser and head over to internet speed testing website such as fast.com. Check if your internet is working properly. Now open up Instagram and check if your problem is fixed. If it is still not fixed, then you simply want to uninstall the app. After uninstalling, install it again from Play Store. And that's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.